Today we are starting with phases of embryonic development. Means in what manner embryo is formed. Today's lecture is for this. Now this is zygote. Zygote is formed by the fusion of nucleus of sperm to ova. Zygote convert into this type of structure, ball-like structure. This is known as cleavage and this is 8-celled structure. 8-celled structure again converts into 16-celled structure, then 32-celled structure. Now this is the cross section of blastula. This is blastocele, means cavity of blastula. Blastula converts into gastrula. Gastrula is the round structure with cavity, and more divisions are there in gastrula. As you can see, this is archenteron, endoderm, ectoderm, and this is blastopore. All sexually reproducing multicellular animals fundamentally develop from the single fertilized egg by the process of embryonic development or embryogenesis. Various events occur during the embryogenesis as follows. The production of male and female gamete by different parent, that is known as gametogenesis. The union of male and female gamete to give rise to diploid zygote, that is fertilization. A series of mitotic division of zygote to form a cluster of cells known as blastula, and this process is known as blastulation. The morphogenetic movement of cells of blastula to form germinal layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, to form gastrula, known as gastrulation. Formation of various organs and organ system from germinal layer, known as organogenesis. Cleavage. It is the series of rapid and repeated mitotic division of the zygote which converts into single-celled zygote to many-celled, known as blastula, and it is known as segmentation. The cleavage in human zygote occurs during its passage through the fallopian tube to the uterus. Cleavage is holoblastic. It means it is dividing the zygote into daughter cells. The first cleavage takes place about 48 hours after fertilization. It produces two blastomere. One is larger than another. The both of these cells occur series of divisions. The second cleavage division occurs within 60 hours after the fertilization. Blastomeres keep on dividing and cleavage takes place about 72 hours after fertilization. Cleavage produces a solid ball of small blastomere. Now embryo looks like mulberry, and that is known as morula. At this stage, embryo is 16-cell and DNA synthesis occurs. Oxygen consumption is more. Formation of blastula, in which fluid collects in a cavity known as blastocele or blastocyst cavity. Blastula converts into gastrula. Gastrula has 3 layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. As the blastocyst become embedded in the uterus is called implantation and leads to pregnancy. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.